We have to add decimal numbers. We have written them in the vertical columns. What next we have to do? We have to check the decimal places. In the first number we have 2 decimal places, in the second 1, in the third 2 and 2. So we add extra 0, so now it will be easier to add. And how we add decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for adding whole numbers. So we add hundredths to hundredths, tenths to tenths, and ones to ones. So we have 3 hundredths plus 0 plus 8 is 11 plus 6 is 17 hundredths. So we write 7 and we add 1 tenth to tenths column. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 8 is 18 tenths plus 0 it will be 8, still 18 tenths. So we have 8 tenths and we have 1 to add 2 ones. So now we have 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 8 is 13 plus 5 is 18. So we have 8 ones and we add 1 to tenths column. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2. And we have to keep decimal point. This is very important in the same column. So this is my solution.